All right, YouTube, I'm hungry, and tonight we're having salad, son. Not just any salad. We're having some good salad. We're having chicken and bacon salad. And the word chicken and bacon came first, which means it's going to be good. All right? This is a collaboration video. So, hashtag everything's better with bacon. So, Mr. Homeowner Cooking and DIY put this together. So, guys, down below in like the comments, probably in the description, you're going to see this hashtag. And at the end of it, it's going to say everything's better cooking with bacon or something like that, right? You go find it. You go watch these videos that everyone else is putting out. They work hard, all right? So let's look at our ingredients for our salad. All right, so we got chicken. You know what? I'm going to throw that chicken on the grill now. All right, we got to get this ready. All right, and that chicken's been sitting in the refrigerator. We let it get to room temperature. That's good. We got some bacon, some croutons, some rabbit food. All right, Doc, you made a mistake when you told me I could eat as much salad as I want because I need a bowl this big for me. What? We got some Parmesan cheese that I fixed on my KitchenAid. And I got to tell you, Parmesan cheese without salad dressing isn't very good for you. All right? Tastes like hell. We got some eggs. We got some weird mixed up things that my wife made me buy. Right? And we got my favorite salad dressing. We got Caesar salad dressing. Check out who that's made by. Right? We can't just let it sit like that. It's got to come around. We got to actually cook it. So there's the chicken breast. Let's get over here. Come on, get them all where they belong. These here, the butcher, he sliced real thin. So we're not going to have to spend a whole lot of time with these down on the grill, right? Let them cool down. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Right? Look at that. It's not going to take long today. Not with real thin cut chicken. I got bacon on my mind, though, son. Doctor said I can have as much as I want inside my salad. She said, listen, you eat salad? You can have any kind of salad you want. I said, Doc, you don't know me very well, do you? That chicken looks good, don't it? Look at that chicken. Don't look at me. Look at it. All right, we're going to transfer this chicken to some pans because, well, we got to let this chicken cool down, then we're going to cut it up, right? I don't want hot chicken in my salad. I don't eat hot chicken in my salad. There's a lot of chicken, though, son. Oh, my goodness. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at all that chicken. All that yumminess in this chicken. All right. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just set this over there. Get it out of the way. I need to clean this up a little bit, don't I? All right. And filthy means it's good for you. All right. What's good for you? Bacon, boy. Look at this. You ain't never seen no 6 pounds of Costco bacon before? Look at that bacon! Look at that bacon! That's bacon! It's gonna be good because it's bacon! That's a whole lot of bacon. What are we gonna put on our bacon to make it taste good? Oh, SPG. That's what we're doing. That's SPG. What's up? Let's see. Can we move this around at all yet? Well, yes, we can. Yes, we can. Oh, look at all that. Oh, my goodness gracious. Because everything's better with bacon, son. Look. What did you say? You ain't never seen a bacon plate before? That's going in my salad. That's going to make the salad taste good. Guys, listen. As we cook the real food, my bacon, we got to fix the rabbit food, all right? So come on over here. Let's look at some rabbit food. I don't know what kind of Italian stuff this is. You know, there's olives in there, so you know it's Italian. I just don't know what it is. There's some feta cheese in there, maybe. Is that feta cheese, someone? I think it's some words that I can't spell, all right? That's what that is. It's inside the bucket, all right? Look at this. My wife hard-boiled me up some eggs. They look good. All right, eggs are good for you, right? How can you have a chicken without the egg? It's going in there too. All right. This is a shit ton of Parmesan cheese. I sat up there on my KitchenAid, and I made this for the salad. I'm like, ooh, I want some of this. But you want to know what? This might be too much. It don't matter. It's going in there too. All right? It's the way it's going to be. We're going to make it good. All right? Let's start to stir this up. Look at that salad. That salad looks all nice and cheesy and good. All right? salad so far. Guys, we got some croutons. That's a big bucket of croutons. It goes in the salad too. Oh my goodness gracious, son. That's gonna be awesome. Oh my gosh. That is an awesome looking salad. All right, we're gonna stick this over to the side because we're gonna have to cut some stuff here in a minute, all right? Here in a second, we're gonna be cutting some stuff up. Let's shake on this bacon just a little bit, all right? Look at the bacon starting to look good. Starting to, doesn't mean it is, but it's starting to, right? We're gonna cut this down low. We wanna get some of that grease to come out. All right, we're just gonna give it some time. All right, if you're PITA and you're watching this, I promise no pigs were hurt while making this video. They were killed like a week ago, and not just one, like 4 of them. What? Could you cook 6 pounds of bacon grease and deal with the Blackstone griddle little grease catcher? Well, I don't. This guy made this thing, this little contraption, right? I think his name is Matt. He owns a company. Somewhere in the description, I'm going to link Matt's Facebook page, right? Look at that guy. And all I did was I stuck a paint can on it. You can get like a single loaf pan and put it on there. But look at all that grease dropping in there. Look, I got a couple of them that fell down there too. Later on, I might have to go down there and get that extra bacon. All right, folks. I know you saw that bacon and you forgot about the chicken. But that's okay. I didn't forget about my chicken. And we got to cut this chicken up. All right? That's what we're doing over here right now. Come over here and look at this chicken. It's some crazy nice looking chicken. Look at those juices. Look at that. Look at that. Perfectly done chicken breast. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Jessica, you want some chicken breast? Come here. Get some chicken breast. Come on. Come on. Get some chicken breast. Come on. I'll give it to you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come get it. It ain't for you. Get out back over there. This is my chicken. All right, guys. Time to look at this bacon again. Let's look at that bacon. Oh my goodness gracious. That bacon is done the way my wife likes it. Oh my goodness. You know, if your wife likes it, it means you live longer, right? Let's bring all this bacon over here, right? Oh my goodness, son. Just look at that, all that nice bacon. There's a big old pile of bacon with a big old pile of bacon grease going right down the chute. Guys, listen. Listen. Here goes this colander, right? I've shown you the colander before. Here goes my shovel. I know you've heard this story before. Mama used to say, boy, if you eat so fast, I'm going to go outside in the backyard and get you a shovel. Well, Mama, I got my shovel now. Guys, we're going to turn this burners off. We're going to let this bacon sit there. It's going to chill out too, right? This bacon's going to take a while to cool. Here in a minute, we'll take it off. But for right now, it's going to hang out, right? Here's a hint. Take that, bring it off the side of the grill. All right, so when you grab it, at least you got something to the cold side, all right? We got to cut up some more chicken, and we'll deal with this bacon once it cools down. Guys, look at that chicken salad so far, right? Just look at it. Oh, my goodness gracious. Let's come check out our bacon. What's it doing over here? We're going to have to shake this bacon out a bit, all right? This bacon still has a lot of grease in it, all right? It's still very hot. Shaking it like this, you lose a couple, but that's all right, because we ain't hurting for it. Oh, my goodness. Let's see how cold that bacon is. Hold on. Oh, it's cooled down, folks. It's cooled down. Check this out. Check this out. Bacon. That's 6 pounds of bacon. You know, out of the package, that was 6 pounds of bacon. And that's some good bacon. That's that Kirkland bacon. All right, check this out. We're just going to do this. We're going to do this. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Guys, I think I need more bacon. I don't know how. What the hell happened here? All my bacon went away. It's still in here. It's good. There's 6 pounds of bacon. 6 pounds of bacon. Jessica, I need more bacon. Go to Costco.
Want some turkey bacon?
Fuck you and your turkey bacon. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that salad, boy. This is my salad, all right? My doctor said I can eat as much salad as I want, right? And she said, as long as I get a nice, healthy, gluten-free, low carbs, let's see, this carb is 0%. It's 1 gram of carbs. She said, as long as it's low carb and gluten-free, you can have as much dressing as you want to. What, fool? What? Get out of there. Get out of there, fool. Get out of there. Oh my God. Guys, this is good dressing. All right, we're going to stir this up too. It's going to be yummy. I'm going to break this spoon. I need the bigger one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. Look, guys. This is a salad, right? This is a good salad. Guys, when your doctor tells you you can eat as much salad as you want, you go get a big fucking salad, or you make one, fool. Because I'm hungry. Look, I'm huge, all right? I got to eat. There's 400 pounds of love muscle here. I'm going to go eat my salad. We out of here. You guys have fun.